Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to Technology Tips. Do you use the mouse to use the different functions of your computer most of the time rather than using a keyboard? If yes, it's time to minimize the use of mouse and increase the use of keyboard shortcuts. The advantages of using keyboard shortcuts is that it is efficient and time consuming and you can do multitasking. Do you know that you can save up to 8 full work days every year by using the keyboard shortcut keys? Now, without wasting much of your precious time, let's start to learn the different useful shortcut keyboard keys. The first shortcut key in the list is Ctrl plus X. Many of you might still be using a mouse to cut the selected items. People use the mouse by right clicking and selecting the cut function, but if you are one of them, stop using the mouse and use the keyboard shortcut key Ctrl plus X to simply cut the selected item. I'll show you again. Select the word and use keyboard shortcut key Ctrl plus X. The item is deleted. The next shortcut key in the list is Ctrl plus C. Again, many people use the mouse by right clicking in it and selecting the copy function. But after watching this video, stop using a mouse and start using the shortcut key Ctrl plus C to copy the selected item. The next shortcut key in the list is Ctrl plus V. Again, after copying the selected item, do not use your mouse to paste the item but instead use the keyboard shortcut key Ctrl plus V, which save lots of your precious time. The next shortcut key in the list is Ctrl plus Z. To undo the action, do not go to the top left corner of the MS Word or use the mouse to undo any action. Instead, use the keyboard shortcut key Ctrl plus Z to undo any action. The next shortcut key in the list is Alt plus Tab. If you want to switch between open apps, simply press Alt key plus Tab key to easily switch between the open apps. The next shortcut key in the list is Alt plus F4. If you want to close the active item or exit the active app, this shortcut is helpful. You do not need to drag your cursor to the top right corner of the app but simply press Alt key plus F4 to close the active app. The next shortcut key in the list is Windows logo key plus D. If you have multiple apps open in your computer but you want to go to the desktop in a click, then just use the shortcut key Windows logo key plus D. You will be in the desktop in a second. The next shortcut key in the list is F2. If you want to rename the selected item, then just press F2. The text will be highlighted or be selected, then you can easily rename it. The next shortcut key in the list is F3. The shortcut key F3 helps you to search a file or folder in the File Explorer. If I press F3, you can see the insertion point in the search bar. The next shortcut key in the list is Alt plus Enter. This shortcut key shows you the properties for the selected item. You can see that as I press this shortcut, the properties of that item has been displayed. The next shortcut key in the list is Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape key. By using this shortcut, you can open the Task Manager. The next shortcut key is Shift plus F10. If you press the shortcut Shift plus F10, it will display the shortcut menu for the selected items. The next shortcut in the list is PrtScn. Many of you might have heard it or might not have heard about this key or have seen it but do not know what is the use of it. This shortcut key is used to take screenshot of your whole screen and copy it to the clipboard. You can change the shortcut so that it can open a screen snipping that will allow you to edit your screenshot. To change the setting, select Start, then go to Settings. In the settings, go to Ease of Access, then go to Keyboard and turn on the key under Print Screen shortcut. After that, you can use the PrtScn key to open screen snipping. You can see in the video that I have pressed the PrtScn and the snipping screen has appeared. You can select the screen as a requirement to take the screenshot. The next shortcut key in the list is Windows logo key. This shortcut is used to open the Start menu. The next shortcut key is Windows logo key plus A. This shortcut is used to open the Action Center. You can see that the Action Center has opened after I have pressed the shortcut key Windows logo key plus A. The next shortcut key in the list is Windows plus C. This shortcut key is used to open Cortana in listening mode. The next shortcut key is Windows logo key plus K. This shortcut key opens the Connect Quick Action in a computer. The next shortcut key in the list is Windows logo key plus Ctrl plus Q. This shortcut key opens Quick Assist. The next shortcut key in the list is Windows plus R. This shortcut key opens the Run dialog box. The next shortcut key in the list is Windows logo key plus U. This shortcut key is used to open the Ease of Access under the settings. To open settings, press the Windows logo key plus I. The next shortcut key in the list is Windows logo key plus period key, or you can say dot or full stop. This shortcut is used to open the emoji panel. You can insert emoji easily by using this shortcut. The next shortcut key in the list is Windows logo key plus left or right arrow. This shortcut key is used to maximize the app to the left or right of the screen. If you want to do multiple work at the same time, this shortcut is very useful. As you can see in the screen, I copied the text from one Word file to another in just a few times by using this shortcut. The next shortcut key in the list is Windows logo key and plus sign key. This shortcut key opens the magnifier. The next shortcut key in the list is Windows logo key plus Ctrl plus D. This shortcut adds a virtual desktop. The next shortcut key in the list is Windows key plus Ctrl plus right or left arrow. This shortcut is used to switch between virtual desktops you have created on the left or right. If you liked my video, please like, subscribe, and if you have any suggestions, please comment down below. See you on the next video. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and bye bye with lots of love from Nepal.